Every modern WordPress site already exposes its content as real, structured JSON, no plugin required, which is the real foundation behind headless WordPress and the block editor itself. The real REST API's own root index, every namespace and route this WordPress install genuinely exposes, discoverable directly in a browser. Genuinely live data, every published post on this exact site, as real JSON, reachable by any HTTP client anywhere, no plugin involved. The exact same real data, scoped to one post by ID, this is genuinely the request pattern headless frontends, React, Vue, Next.js, used to fetch content. The same real API, a different real endpoint, pages, media, users, and categories are all genuinely exposed the same documented way. Every real category on this site, as structured JSON, including its real post count, ready for a real frontend to consume directly. The real, current recommended way to authenticate write requests to the API generated right from a real user's own profile screen. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mockup. Real, live JSON, reachable directly in a browser, no authentication, no plugin, just core WordPress. Try it yourself, visit your own site's wp-json wp-v2 posts and read the real response.